Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm actually going to go in the back office of Scribble 2.0 Empowerly, and I'm going to we're going to go down here, we're going to create a coloring book. So this is what the AI does for you. We click on Colorly, and this is an app that can create ebooks or coloring books. So what we're going to do is we're going to just hit on coloring book. Okay, so, and then we're going to pick either children. We're going to pick children. What age group is this for? So let's pick teenager. And then you can pick how many pages you want. So we're going to pick up 20. And we are going to pick, how about dinosaurs? Great. So we're going to click on the option of what type of dinosaur we want. So let's pick out a T-Rex. We're going to pick 5. A Brontosaurus. Okay, let's click it again. Let's see what else we have. Diplodocus, right. And let's pick up 2 more. Stegosaurus, and 1 more. So we want to make it realistic. How detailed should the design be? So let's do it moderately detailed, and then we're going to wait for it to process. Let me pick a template. So we're going to pick any template here. And there you go. The AI created the coloring book for you.